Hey, Hack the Six! Us at Adomine are pitching a solution to help bridge the gap in our current learning unconventional environment. Because of COVID, we have most universities, high schools, and elementary schools in some parts of the world sticking to delivering content online. And with that, students will inevitably face difficulties with lecture and video interactiveness, memorability, and pace. So, Adomine aims to be a tool in the student arsenal to digitally interpret the videos before and give insights for the students before they study. So what does Adomine do? Like the name suggests, Adomine uses AI to automatically generate a mind map of key ideas in an uploaded video. So let's see how it works. So right here, the website, we click upload a video, and we have three files: chemistry, economics, and biology. So let's choose can central governments defeat a new paradigm, an economics video. So to do all of this, we use Microsoft Azure Speech Recognition SDK to gather a transcript of the uploaded video. We then run Microsoft Azure Text Analytics to extract the key ideas and the entities from the transcript, and we keep them separate from each other. So to find out the connections between the nodes of the mind map, we then trained a custom Azure model with main ideas and their definitions from chemistry, biology, and economics. So based on how that we've configured it, it works best with chemistry, biology, and economics videos and lectures, right? So this model takes a keyword and an entity, and it loops them over, and it returns a similarity index, and that is used to structure mind map connections. So speech recognition for videos is by default a pretty slow process, so wait times will be a little bit long. And then here we go. The mind map has been generated. We can preview the video and look at the video here. And then the main idea here is extracted, so the Great Recession, and we can see the nodes here: Alan Greenspan, who is the chair of the Federal Reserve, and fast forward, real economy, with the timestamps. And then we also see here in another separate tree of Great Recession. So Adomine is structured with MongoDB as the database, Express.js as the back end, and React as the front end. It took some heavy lifting to coordinate the parts, but we're proud to say that we've managed it. Also, getting the speech recognition SDK to work was a pretty tough challenge as well, and required lots of heavy lifting. So there you have it. We have our video, our mind map, generated with AI and Microsoft Text Analytics, and that's all. Thanks Hack the Six, and we hope to see you soon.